Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get high-pitched voice in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music video, liked posts, liked albums, and liked playlists. In the top side of the screen, you have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get high-pitched voice in Bandlab. So to get a high-pitched voice in Bandlab, you can use the pitch shift effect. Launch the Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. Then go to your library, which is here in the top side of the screen. If you have a project, you will have it here, of course. Open a project containing the vocal track you want to modify. Click on the triple dot icon next to the vocal track and select pitch shift from the effects menu. Use the pitch shift slider to increase the pitch. Drag the slider to the right side of the pitch and have a high-pitched voice. Adjust the pitch you desired level and listen to the changes. Once you're satisfied with the high-pitched voice, save your project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.